can. Uh-oh, play your guitar. Play your guitar, it's a good song. Play your guitar. There you go. That's right.
Oh my god, he looks like a little rocker.
So this is what we listen to in Daddy's car, huh?
This is definitely not what we listen to with Mommy.
Say woo! Play that guitar.
Hey Aiden, what do you tell the dog when he bites? What do you tell him?
No bite. Play your guitar.
What do you tell him when you have to give him a treat?
You want to fix your hair? There you go.